Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 14th, 2021. We have 4 puzzles left. Yes, the first one I have solved is a 3 stars. Then I will do a 4-star Sudoku. Binary I will do, then a tectonic, and a killer. Sudoku I will solve, but first, this 4 stars Sudoku number 3391. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 3, 12, 14, 16, plus 4 is 20, and 4 plus 4 is 24. Correct. For 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more if it's really 4 stars. So let's get started. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see there another 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. Okay. Okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Well, 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 here. Here also a 3, no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We see another 9 there, so no 9 here. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. How about these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. There 6, no 6 in that box, so 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 5 and a 9 are left. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in the first row. So no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. And we have a pair again, 1 and a 2 in this column, 1 and a 2 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 1 and 2 should be in those two boxes as a pair. Alright, two numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here and a 7 goes there. Alright. Three missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9, 4, 9, 8. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 in the last row. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. One digit left in the middle column for number 8. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Two numbers left in the last row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4. And the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this box, in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. One digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. Alright. So now we have we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Yeah. Then we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the third row, the row below, the only place for the 2 should be here. One number left in the third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. Okay. So we have now 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in this box. The 6 goes in these two boxes. In one of those two boxes. So we have a 6 in the third row. 6 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. And look, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and 1. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Alright. Okay. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then. How about these 2 numbers? In this row, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, we see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes here. So we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. Yeah. How about these 2 numbers in the second column? 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3, no 5. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. I cannot believe this. Faster than the previous Sudoku, because the previous Sudoku, I've solved it in 60 minutes and this one in 14 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. It's definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle. See you then. Bye-bye for now.